Good morning, class 6. Today in political science, I will tell you about the second chapter, diversity and discrimination. Okay, class, in first chapter you have read about diversity. Now, diversity is the term that is related to difference. In second chapter, first we will cover the topic, subtopics, that is difference and prejudice. Now, students, what is difference? Diversity. Now, diversity means difference. Do you know there are 8 major religions in India, and all these religions are practiced in India. It means India is a diverse nation. In India, people speak 1600 different local languages. There are 100 dance forms. All people are differ in attitude, opinion, they dress differently, they look differently, talk differently, feel, eat and speak. You and your friend both are different. You both like different things. You and your brother, they also eat different things. Yes or no? Now, this is the diversity. The next term is prejudice. What is prejudice? Prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. When we judge other people without knowing the whole prospectus or whole truth. For example, when you think that only there is one way that is best, what do? You do not respect the others. When you think that one way is the best and the others are wrong, you treat others as inferior. For example, I just want to give you an example. For example, English. You all think that English language is the best language. So the people who do not speak English language, you treat them as inferior. For you, English is the best language, and those who are speaking the English language, they are superior. Superior is the antonym of inferior. Superior means अपने आप को बड़ा समझना, inferior means जिन लोगों को हम छोटा समझते हैं. तो English एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जिसे आप जो है superior समझते हो, और फिर आप क्या करते हो, आप दूसरी लैंग्वेजेस को क्या ट्रीट करते हो, inferior. Another example, for example, 2 new admissions in your class. आपकी क्लास में 2 new बच्चे एडमिशन ले रहे हैं. एक बच्चा जो है वो मलयालम में बात करता है, उसका बैकग्राउंड है, लोकल लैंग्वेज है, और दूसरा बच्चा जो है he speaks in English. Okay, now for you as English is the best language and you treat all other language are inferior. So what do? You will think that this person who is speaking, the child who is speaking English language will be your फ्रेंड. आप उसको अपना दोस्त बनाना चाहोगे, पर जो मलयालम लैंग्वेज, जो दूसरी लैंग्वेज है, उसमें जो है बातचीत करता है, वो आपको पसंद नहीं, उससे आप जो है उससे आप फ्रेंडशिप नहीं करना चाहते हो. Only one way that is best, only for you English language is the best and you treat other languages are the inferior. और आपका prejudice, आपका ये जो दिमाग में prejudice बैठा है कि English language is the best and others are inferior, वो इतना strong है that you don't want to form friendship with that person who is speaking Malayalam language. I hope the concept of prejudice is clear to you. That means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. आपने एक ऐसी जजमेंट बनाई है कि एक ही चीज जो है वो बेस्ट है, बाकी जो है वो inferior है. Now students, the next phenomena is stereotype. Now what is stereotype? Preconceived notion about group of people. Preconceived means जब हम लोगों के बारे में, group of people जो है उनके बारे में पहले ही से ही कुछ एक इमेज बनाकर रखते हैं. Fix people into one image. As we know that we all are different, but instead of this, our society has created one image for a group of people. That is stereotype. For example, we all know about the gender differences. Gender differences around 50 years ago, there is gender differences. We do not in the houses, we do not treat both the girls and boys equally. Today also in some of the villages, they do not treat girls and boys equally. And one more example of this stereotype is boys do not cry. Now, as babies or children fall and hurt themselves, their parents and other family members often console them by saying, "Don't cry, you are a boy, boys are brave and they don't cry." As they grow up, they start believing that crying is the sign of weakness. All boys are not alike. सब एक जैसे नहीं होते हैं. अपनी feelings को बताने के लिए some may cry, some not. But society has created the stereotype that boys do not cry. For girls are soft-spoken and gentle, well-behaved. All girls are not soft-spoken. Yes or no? But our society has created that girls are like this only. This is the way boys are and this how girls are. We fit all boys, all girls into one image that society creates around us. So, when we fix people into one image, we create stereotypes. Stereotype stops us from looking at each people as unique individual, but fit large number of people into one pattern or type. I hope you have understood the term stereotype. Stereotype, when you fix people into one image. There is also a table on page number 15. Complete it. Read these three phenomena. First is diversity, difference. The second one is prejudice, and the third one is stereotype. Understand it well. If you had any query, please ask. And another thing is that, students, those who are handicapped people, earlier we used the term disabled, but nowadays we use the term children with special needs to give them special attention, to not make them to feel inferior. We are using the term children with special needs instead of disabled children. Okay class, I hope you have understood these three phenomena. If you had any query, please ask. Thank you.